Let's go 5. Lesson 1. How much food? Listen and repeat. A can of tomatoes. 2 cans of tomatoes. A bag of chips. 3 bags of chips. A bottle of water. 4 bottles of water. A slice of pizza. 3 slices of pizza. A can of tuna. 2 cans of tuna. A loaf of bread. 5 loaves of bread. A bag of rice. 2 bags of rice. A jar of cookies. 3 jars of cookies. A carton of milk. 5 cartons of milk. A box of cereal. 7 boxes of cereal. A cup of coffee. 2 cups of coffee. A glass of juice. 3 glasses of juice. A bag of flour. 4 bags of flour. A piece of cake. 2 pieces of cake. A block of cheese. 3 blocks of cheese. A kilo of meat. 5 kilos of meat. A head of cabbage. 6 heads of cabbage. A plate of fries. 2 plates of fries.